Merging two data frames in Pandas. The most common follow-up to read _CSV, combining a fact table with a reference table. Inner, left, and outer joins, all from a single function call. Real data lives in pieces. A trade blotter on one side, a ticker reference on the other. The work of analysis is joining them. Pandas merge is the join function. Same idea as SQL join. Left side, right side, a key, a how strategy. One call, one data frame out. Today, 8 trades, 14 tickers, 3 joins. Inner gives 8 matched rows. Left gives 8 trades enriched. Outer gives 14 rows with nvim, where one side is missing. Merging two data frames in Pandas. 1 key column, 3 join strategies. Two CSVs are already here. Trades.csv is the blotter, 8 rows. Tickers.csv is the reference, 14 rows with sector and market cap. Open nvim. Save it as merge_dataframes.py. 1 import. Pandas. Load both files. Trades on the left, tickers on the right. Method 1. The default inner join. Pandas merge takes both data frames and an on column. You get back only the rows that exist on both sides. 8 trades enriched with sector and market cap. Method 2. Left join. Pass how equals left. Every trade survives, even if no ticker reference exists. The reference columns come back as nvim where there's no match. In this dataset, trades.ticker is a subset of tickers.ticker, so left and inner are the same 8 rows. Real data is messier. Left protects you from silently losing trades. Method 3. Outer join. The union of keys from both sides. Every trade, every ticker, with nvim wherever one side has no row. Here, that's 14 rows, 8 trades plus 6 reference-only tickers. Save and run with Python. Three joins, 3 shapes. Inner and left both come in at 8 by 6. Outer at 14 by 6, with the 6 unmatched ETF tickers visible in the nvim list. Three things to take away. First, pd.merge is the join function. Left side, right side, a shared key, and a how strategy. Same mental model as SQL. Second, how equals left keeps every row from the left data frame, with nvim where the right side has no match. Use it when the left side is your fact table, and you can't afford to drop rows. Third, how equals outer is the union. Every key from both sides, nvim where either side is missing. The right choice when you need to see what's in one side but not the other. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.